Manufacturing is becoming increasingly connected, intelligent, and automated. With advanced manufacturing technologies and globalization, manufacturers of today are encountering a new industrial revolution.
With a master's degree in manufacturing systems technology from Jacksonville State University, today's manufacturing professionals have the opportunity to learn tools, strategies, and practices that can be immediately applied to their organization.
The courses you take are one of a kind. In the Manufacturing System Simulations class, you will learn how to create computer models of manufacturing processes. These models can then be used to optimize production layouts and predict future outputs from the system.
You will learn about manufacturing philosophies and practices such as the Toyota production system and how they can be applied to real-life production challenges.
I consider the professors my mentors, and that's what makes these programs different.
The faculty take a personal interest in the academic, professional, and personal aspect of your life.
Our students are achievers, doers, and exceptional professionals. They're here because they are excited to learn.
I provide analytical support in the inventory management team for approximately $7 million worth of steel inventory.
I've learned more about manufacturing management philosophies and practices. I've also been prepared to communicate more efficiently in the workplace.
As an engineering technology instructor at a community college, I've learned skills and strategies in this program that I can take to my classroom.
We learned how to create proactive and successful manufacturing cultures. I was able to take what I learned in my courses and use it immediately in my role at work.
Our program prepares students to lead effectively, facing the manufacturing challenges of today and tomorrow. Join us today.